going to learn lots of ways to say bye-bye now. We're going to do that with our beautiful bubble song. So, in Spanish, there are lots of ways to say bye-bye. So we say adiós, adiós, bye-bye. Or we can say hasta luego, see you later. Or we can say hasta pronto, see you soon. Are we ready? Shall we sing our bubble song? Let's find some bubbles, shall we? Let's finish off with some burbujas. Some bubbles. Okay. Are we ready? Oh, and here's Flora the fish, Flora el pez. Help us. Should we try and pop them all? Pop, pop, pop. Say burbujas, bubbles. Oh, we say adiós, goodbye. Hasta luego, see you later. Hasta pronto, see you soon. Ready? Bye, bye, bubbles, bye, bye, bubbles, bye, bye, bye. See you later, alligator, it's time to say goodbye. Hasta luego, a las burbujas, adiós. Hasta pronto, nos veremos, hay que decir adiós. Adiós, goodbye. Hasta luego, see you later. Hasta pronto, see you soon. Fantastico, well done. So everybody, that's the end of today's session. Muchas gracias. Thank you so much for joining us. Okay, hasta pronto. See you soon.